My guess would have been there'd have been a lot more of them too. You know what I mean? The whole field would be full of people. They'd be in the trees. There'd be snipers in the trees. Everything. Thousands of soldiers, on both sides. That's pretty much how they did, though. They stood there and looked at one another and shot at one another. It's like, God. Good thing their guns weren't very accurate. But the cavalry's moving. That's kind of like the A-team, Oh, we're getting ready to fire a cannon. That's going to be loud. Like a spaghetti western. Yeah. Most of that bunch is just people that citizens, regular citizens, come in and run them off. See, there's a whole more mess of them over there. They overtook them and ran their asses out. Grandpa's doing pretty good. I don't think I can run up with. Uh-oh. Here we go.
Yeah. There goes Cam.
Why do they pull those things? To make the cannons go out. And that's really loud. And some old they pulled all of them and then the music go out.
Can you see?
Prepare to fire! On the right! On the flank! Fire!
Dang, I didn't know they had that many down there.
Oh, they had them all the way down.
Yeah. Ooh. I didn't know. I thought you only got these two here. They're gonna fire back now over there.
Here it goes. Okay, here it goes.
Close your ears.
And just sit down some places.
Sit down so they can see.
Sit down
so they can see.
Good.
No, you're fine.
Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Yeah, big old smoke ring up there.
Smoke ring from the
I guess they gave up on telling those people to move away from that monument.
Yeah, probably.
They keep trying to come on. And getting the stuff.
Ready for another one.
One guy said, can you see? It's really hard to go on to on that
Oh, wow. Dang. A little louder on the receiving end, ain't it?
Right, you actually feel the shot.
Yeah. Dang. Wow.
Cylinders ain't fucking around.
Return fire.
Over here.
It's amazing it don't bother them horses, you know.
Right. Well, I'm sure they train them for it.
Yeah.
This time you don't.
Cannons never get on them.
I know, right? They don't, do they?
Oh, check it out.
Oh, they're shooting on that side.
Now I get over there. We're playing their drums all the way around the map.
Yeah, they're right behind us.
You may get a picture.
One up on the side. That's a big
Oh,
one.
that's nice. That's bigger than the first one.
It gets bigger every time it shoots.
You're walking on the grave.
This is cool. We're right up front now.
They should have just marked it
Came
off.
right up.
Huh?
They should have just marked it off. I mean,
I
really.
think that,
Right.
in a way, it's kind of a compliment.
Right. You know, all sitting there just saying something.
He's not one of them. He's
You
one
know,
of
like
the.
they're defiling it.
Right.
He's one of the others.
Dang!
Boy,
That's all one time. One time. One. Getting ready to shoot. Look, I'm drinking out of the canteen.
That Busher?
Looks like it.
Looks like you got it.
Yes, he was out in that truck the other night. Remember when I told you he was just sitting there when I drove by?
Yeah.
And just, it wasn't there, nobody there. He's been driving that truck around that trailer.
Oh, really?
That's on the
God,
end.
he's a weirdo.
And she lives right here. So she sees everything that goes behind his house.
Call the cops on him.
Well, he started pulling down his driveway and started yelling a bunch of crap at her. And she ran right for her house. I said, next time I would be calling the cops.
Yeah, 'cause he's
He's
nuts.
dangerous.
Here, I'll let you come up here.
That's the first time we've been here. It's pretty neat.
They're down on their knees.
They're shooting at the fort.
But they're down on their knees. They're actually shooting their guns. Not those. Going up here to fight. Not anymore.
Well, they're moving upon us now.
Mm-hmm.
They're coming up every single minute after they shoot. Yep, they're coming up on us.
Get the south one this
My mom has on her phone that takes the thing that tells them to get on. The green one. How do you just stay like that?
Are they not out there no more?
Oh, they must have
Get them out of the way. So they don't trip on them.
I can't see
Don't move.
Dad.
Okay, don't
How
move.
You come up
the
here.
old pistol from when they did it.
Don't.
Oh, we're getting ready to fire the cannons.
We get so excited sometimes.
You stay put.
You try to have me put them on my shoulders, and I'm like, they're just too big for my outfit.
Oh my God.
That's why. No.
They're up moving all this way.
Uh-huh.
See? There they are. Walking out into line.
They let him go there.
Over here.
That never gets old.
Now it smells like gunpowder.
Smells like bad sewer.
It smells like gunpowder. Yeah.
That's how it would have really looked out on that battlefield, too. They didn't have smokeless powder back then.
No, they didn't. They just had smoke powder.
Well,
Trust me, probably almost everything they smoked was stuff that had powder.
dang.
That's a nice out there.
Got a load in that one.
He's getting ready to load another one.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
They get it ready and then they just put it in, hold it, push it down. They get the little one and then they get the big one. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Except, I watched one before.
Nobody's died.
Except this one. The other one I watched before. It had the little boxes where they would try to.
Practically a fire at will now. Yeah.
And then they had.
See, they're not firing them cannons down there because they got to bring them forward.
And they also had the cannons. You know what I thought was cool? They had smoke bombs.
Oh, yeah?
Smoke bombs. Like grenades. Smoke grenades. That they throw and then it makes
Dakota,
smoke.
stop stretching your shirt. Thank you.
I don't know. They're moving it by hand. They move it by hand. But they also can like bolt time. Huh? They might bolt time.
Okay, neither.
And you can see the fire from the gun over there. Because they're actually using real ones. One of them said over there.
Gonna fire one over here.
Hold it so they can just push it down. They're moving them closer. Whoa. The smoke is coming all the way over here instead of over there now.
Yeah, it's fire at will.
Reload it, fire it, reload. And they keep doing it.
Uh-oh. I'm just going to get ready to charge it. Right at that.
Oh, they got their cannons up now again.
How loud the cannons are. They're trying to see how loud their cannons are. See if it makes them jump.
Dang, that one's always really loud.
Like when they use those little bitty sand things. Like those sand packet things.
That doesn't happen.
That's when the aliens came down. Didn't you hear about that part?
They don't have that in the history.
They shoot down like that too with those sand packets.
That's in your shirt. You ever found it? I'm trying to break him of it. Now I don't have any clothes left. Oh, I see it.
Awesome smoke ring. Look at that.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good.
It's just like a lasso. Just like a lasso. Except it's not.
Right.
It's made out of smoke.
Well, it's getting intense now.
Hence, what does that mean?
They're working up to the big battle, the big fight.
Whereas then they can charge.
Yep.
Could you imagine? How did it even hear that back in, because there'd have been a whole lot more than this going on.
But it would probably be all day and almost all
Well, we
night.
got some
Makes you wonder how they ever heard the trumpet, though.
We got a few dead back there.
We'll have them to see if they move it. Keep my eye on.
Gotta go to the restroom.
Good luck, I waited an hour in that line.
Yeah, right.
He's hiding.
He's not coming back. Hi, baby. I'm
I
right
had
here.
a good time.
Good.
Hey, I'm keeping my eye on the logo to see if they're done.
Goes left.
I can stop it. Yeah, they have to do that yeah, the captain has the sword, so when he puts it down, that means fire. While he's putting it
Oh, here they're going.
down, means fire.
They're pulling out, ain't they?
He's not moving. We're on this side, right? We're on this side. Get ready to charge. They all have their swords out. Oh yeah. This might PayPal. Huh? That might be my PayPal. Everyone's doing that.
That's what I'm talking about.
That was an excellent. That one was a real one. That one actually was. Now time for the real war. Yeah. Time for the real war now. Time to get serious. There's a kid in there. There's a kid in there. He just ran. Yeah.
You're not gonna charge each other? Why?
My grandpa was a farmer. My other grandpa was, but he died. My grandpa died because he had.
So they're not gonna get a big old fight?
Yeah, I think they're
If he wouldn't have tracked on the road, if he was going down the hill, he would have drove that tractor all the way down that hill until the porch came down. Now they're actually doing it. One of them fell down. See? Over there.
There goes that loud one again.
I told him if he saw the people that were laying down. But that's where they're hiding.
Got them on the run.
Yeah, we're losing. Big time.
Yep, there's the captain.
Because the other ones that were over there is now over here.
There's the captain.
Wow.
Hey, there's the girl.
Look at that smoke ring.
Oh, that is cool. Look at that smoke ring. Hey,
That's
look at
getting bigger.
Look at that smoke ring. That's huge.
Let's see if that's closer. What the heck was that?
They're getting knocked dead now.
That one was just like, boom. They're shooting it up in the air instead of down in the middle.
Yeah, they're down in the middle.
Or a battle. But mostly they used to just have the swords. Or a battle.
They're retreating.
remember a few years ago, my son would be
See, there's one right in front of us.
and they were fighting coming up the railroad track and down Arcadia all the way up. Those poor guys were just keel over in those gray suits. It was so hot, and we thought, they act like they got shot, but they were passing out off the horses.
I don't know how they,
Like 100.
where they